Welcome to our YouTube channel Home Tutorial 2020. Here is S. Pradhan. Today we are going to discuss a new topic. In this video we are going to look at how to find the max or minimum elements in a list. So let's imagine I have a list here. It contains these numbers and I want to write an algorithm to find the maximum value. Whether you find the maximum or minimum, it actually is the same process. So we are going to talk about finding the maximum value. I can look at this very quickly, identify the maximum value of 8, but we want to imagine that if you have 6 elements and a 6 element want to copy with the process and can be followed by step, and always be sure that we find the maximum value. So when we talk about the different element in the list, we are going to refer to them by their index. So this list has a 6 element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and their indexes are 0 to 5. So one of the key piece with this algorithm is that you always want to initialize the max value to an element contained within the list. Now I say here to always set it max to the first element, and that will work, but in fact you can initialize max to any element in the list. By doing that, you are ensuring that you are going to find the maximum value properly. Often initialize the max value to 0, just an habit, because typically initialize value to 0, then it was the situation that all the values of the list were negative, that 0 is going to end. Being sure the maximum value, to initialize the max value to it, the first element in your list, you actually don't have to know. First 3 will compare with the 6. This condition is true, 3 is less than 6, so 6 will store and it will replace in the maximum value. The next 6 will compare with 2. No, this one is the false, so it will not replace, it will remain the 6. 6 less than 7, this condition is true, so it will replace the value 7. 7 less than 8, condition is true, so it will replace the value 8. 8 less than 1, no, false, so done. So the maximum value, it will store 8. So like this it will compare the value with the all the elements till the end, to go through each element in the list and then compare that specific element to the current maximum value, and if the max value is smaller than the element, we override max value. So we are having a question: write a program in Java to input 10 numbers in an array and print the maximum and minimum number present in the array. So let's start with the class name array max. So before that, you write on import java.util.scanner. Here with the class name, we can start array max. We can start with min also. Main method public static void main string arguments square bracket open close. Here the scanner class, scanner object sc new scanner, input from the keyboard system dot in, and sorry, here close, this one not needed. Here int, the array name a equal to new int, array size we will take 10 numbers, 10 different numbers, and here I for index max is equal to 0, min also 0. Here give the message system dot out dot println, enter 10 different numbers. So here for input 10 different numbers, we have to start the loop. For I equal to 0, the indices will start from 0 because array start with the 0, and this will go up to 9, I less than equal to 9, and I plus plus. After each number there will be an increment of 1. So here we will array name and I to input to accept 10 different numbers. So here object name as c dot next, and to input from the keyboard as a integer value, so next int, curly braces close. For the this part is the input 10 different numbers. You can give the message also. If you want the message, you can give the message also while taking every number. So enter numbers, you can give here I. If you want to start from the 1, you can give I plus 1. Then this part for, so first initialize the max equal to the beginning one, always initialize with the beginning one. So array 0, this part for the maximum. First we will find out the maximum, after that the minimum. Array equal to 0, I less than equal to 9, and I plus plus. So here compare max. If conditions, you have to compare the max is less than array the value first with 0, then 1, 2, and so on. So max, if this condition is true, max is less than array elements, so max will store, it will compare and it will copy the maximum if the condition is true. So here we will write array I, it will replace the value, and here we will give the message that maximum number that will store in the variable max, and close for public, close for class. Now compile, no syntax error, run. Here you input 10 different numbers like 2, 4, 7, 8, 1, 9, 12, 45, 56, 78. You can check the maximum number is 78. Now we will find out the minimum number also. So let's go to the program. So here for the minimum, here we will write min is equal to initialize with the beginning 0. Only for the minimum we will add here if the min is greater than array I and min is equal to array I. So here we will add min greater than array I. So when it is condition is true, the min is greater than array I, on that time min will replace with the array I elements, and after that we'll write here, we'll add the statement minimum number, in place of max it will store the variable min. So compile, there is error, the error is here, sorry, min. Compile, no syntax error, close, right click, okay. So here we will input the numbers like 3, 6, 9, 2, 1, 7, 10, 88, 34, 56. So maximum number is 88 and minimum number is 1. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.